the Rainbow Multi-Moving Average Indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Traders can also read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and by dragging the file onto the chart, run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying 66 moving averages with different periods and various colors on the price chart. The Rainbow Multi-Moving Average Indicator is a special and practical tool that allows us to identify long-term trends in the market. We can examine support or resistance zones and, based on the signals we receive, enter buy or sell trades in the market. Experienced traders can effectively utilize each distinct color band within this comprehensive indicator as either a crucial support zone or a significant resistance zone. And if the price and the moving average move upwards, we can use this as a buy signal or enter a buy position on a pullback, and based on the upward wave, enter a buy trade in the market and profit from the price trend. Or if the fast-moving averages cross over the slow-moving averages downwards at the time of the breakout and the price pulls back to the zone, we can enter a sell position and make a good profit from the long-term downward trend. At times when the compression of the ring arc is displayed to us, it indicates a ranging market, and until a clear trend is established in the market, it's better not to enter a trade or use the signals. For example, in this section, there is spectral entanglement and the moving average, which means that under no circumstances could we have entered a buy or sell trade in the market here. But in other areas, we see that with a cross and a pullback, we can enter a buy position, with a cross and a pullback, enter a sell position, with a cross and a pullback, enter a sell position again. In this way, we can identify price trends and enter positions based on trading opportunities. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are options available to us. In the first input, we can choose the calculation method for the moving average from 4 types: simple, exponential, smooth, and linear weighted. All the moving averages are calculated based on this method. In the next input, we can select the price calculation type from among close price, open price, high price, low price, median price, typical price, and finally weighted price here. In the following sections, we can specify the moving average periods from number 1 up to 66 here and set them on the chart. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be glad if you shared your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.